If you're looking to get started with Navan for your small business, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how to set up and use Navan to simplify your processes, save time, and boost productivity. Navan is a dynamic platform designed to help businesses manage their travel and expenses with ease, making it a fantastic tool for small businesses. The best part? You can try it out completely free using the first link below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses for those who sign up today. Stick around till the end, and I'll share how to access an extended free trial. Now, let's dive into setting up Navan for your small business. First, you'll need to create an account. This is simple, just head to their website and sign up. Once you're in, you'll be able to input your business details and start adding your team members. If you're a solo entrepreneur, this is just as useful, as Navan helps you track your own expenses and travel seamlessly. Navan allows you to book travel and manage your expenses from one central hub. This means you can book flights, hotels, car rentals, and even meals, all through the same platform. Whether you're on the go or managing a team, everything stays organized in one place. You'll see your team's travel schedules, approvals, and expenses all in real time, making collaboration and management far more efficient. Setting up your expense management is simple as well. Navan's smart expense tools automatically categorize your charges based on your company's policies. You won't have to manually sort through receipts or worry about missing a detail on your credit card statement. The software also integrates with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and others, making it even easier to keep track of everything. Another standout feature is Navan's reporting tools. These allow you to quickly analyze spending trends, monitor employee expenses, and ensure everything stays within your budget. This is especially helpful for small businesses that need to keep track of cash flow and maximize every dollar spent. One of the key benefits of Navan is the mobile app. With Navan, you have the flexibility to manage everything on the go, whether it's booking last-minute travel or reviewing an expense report. The app ensures that you stay connected no matter where you are, so you can make decisions quickly without being tied to a desktop. If you're wondering how Navan can save your business time, it's all about automation. The platform learns your preferences, automatically recommends bookings, and even ensures compliance with your company's policies. This minimizes manual effort and helps streamline the entire process. As a small business owner, you'll also appreciate Navan's competitive pricing. It offers affordable packages that scale with your needs, so you only pay for what you use. Plus, if you act now, you can start using it for free with our exclusive extended trial. Just click the first link below to get started. If you're still on the fence about whether Navan is right for your business, here's the bottom line. It's an all-in-one platform that simplifies the tasks most small businesses struggle with, like managing travel and expenses. Whether you're traveling solo or managing a team, Navan is designed to make your life easier. So remember, click the first link below to grab your exclusive offer and get started with Navan for free. Don't miss out on this extended trial. It's the perfect time to streamline your small business operations.